Oh, what is going on? Look at this. Leanne got some cabbage in our raised beds. Waylon, out, bro. We're apparently not gonna have any cabbage because of that motherfucker right there. So that's what we're dealing with. We're going to get a fence in the garden because of our dogs. Not deer, not chickens, none of that. Our dogs. I got this chicken tractor moved. Damn, it is a beast. I could barely move it. I really couldn't move it. I put this rope on the front. I got wheels on the back, but you know, if there's any clump of grass or anything from the front yard all the way back here, it got hung up. So I took the side-by-side or UTV and I just hooked to this rope on the front bumper, and it did its job. It dragged it out here, so that's good. We are about to move these not so baby chicks from the brooder. This is the brooder I built. I don't know if I showed any of you guys, but their heads are damn near touching it, so it's time to go for them. They've been in here for about a week too long. Is all this is a 2x4 cage, 2x4 legs, and more of the same hinges I used. But yeah, they're getting ready to go out to pasture right now. So, you know, I feel like I finally like unlocked an achievement. We did do pigs, and we did them an electric fence, and that went pretty well. They only got out 3 times. I think we kind of jump started on that. Usually people probably do pasture chickens first, but yeah, I feel like we've unlocked the next level of homesteading and Joel Salatinism and all that by having a chicken tractor. This is pretty cool. This is something I've been reading about for 4 years, watching YouTube videos on and wanting to do. So now we're finally doing it. Pretty exciting. Oh, check it out. That's the new zero-turn mower, Z25E. I think E means economy. Oh, the 7 series. 9 series is like super commercial. 5 series is more residential. They didn't have, I think I wanted a 525M, and they only had the E. This has got a better seat for hitting potholes and hitting holes in our pasture. It's great though. I love it. It's fast. It's cool. Yeah, so let's get these chickens moved, all right? We're about to get this chicken instead of bread, you know? All right, chickens, lights out. Oh, shit. Chickens are running wild. All right. One got out, I think, and I caught it, and now it's in the chicken tractor. I could have sworn I seen 2. Same color, same size. It could have just been quick running around. So hopefully we haven't lost a chicken in this process. Barely fit out this door. Dogs, leave those chickens alone. There we go. We got chickens on grass. One chore done. So I just picked up this $5 is more expensive than that, 5-gallon waterer for the chicken tractor. Nothing's really gonna hang from the ceiling because it's low, right? So I'm still not sure what we're gonna do about food, but we'll figure that out. Probably just put it on a baking pan or something. Yeah, so we're gonna give this big boy a test drive. And then some apple cider vinegar. Why isn't any water coming out of this thing? Is it defective? I put water in it. I think this vent needs to be opened up. Nope. Oh, look at, there's a cap down there. Who'd have thought? Holy shit. Good thing the camera's waterproof. This thing's just gonna drain itself. If I block that off. Oh. There we go. Oh, that works. All right, chickens. Gatorade is coming up. There you go. Get some water. So for today, I'm just gonna feed them right on the ground. We got this 22% protein meat bird feed, and then we also have like half a bag of the starter. So I just mix that together in this 5-gallon bucket. Try to get rid of the starter, and I don't know. They're just gonna eat what they eat, right? I'm not gonna give them all of half of this 5-gallon bucket, but I'll give them most of it and see how they like it. That's what we'll do. We're gonna feed them on a cast iron pan. A little rusty. I've been meaning to throw that in the fire and get it re-seasoned. Now I really have to re-season if chickens are eating out of it. Yeah. All right, dudes. Yes, they're all dudes. We know their gender. Bill, it's not for you. No. Hey. fresh off the skillet. You need privacy. Bill, that's not for you. Yeah, pretty exciting. Cool stuff. Finally, we're gonna have our own pasture-raised chickens. We went to Lady's farm once. She held a workshop on butchering meat birds. So if you're in the Kentucky, Ohio area, reach out to her. I think she's doing some classes this year. But yeah, these will be ours, raised on our property, and we'll go from there. I think I'm gonna mix some grass seed into their food so they shit it out and it grows grass. The other chickens love to eat grass seed. Whenever me or my neighbors try to seed our lawn and sow it, my chickens run over there and eat all the seed. And I feel really bad because like a 50-pound bag of Kentucky 31 is like $120. So that's what you get for living next to hillbillies, I guess. That's us. Yeah, there you go. Get that food.